Hey, today is the last day of the month, and that means the last day of the challenge. How did you all do? Were you able to do it? Were you able to get up 30 minutes earlier? How did you find it? I mean, for me, there's my dog right there. I actually didn't find it as bad as I thought, and I really think it was the gradual wins we did. So I'm loving my strategy here. Um, and plus, when I'm the leader of this challenge, I don't want to disappoint you. Um, but it worked, and I think it's pretty cool. I was mapping it out, doing my little analytical calculations, and if I keep doing this for the next year, if we all keep doing this 30 minutes early for the next year, it ends up being 130 and a half hours. That's like 3.3 40-hour work weeks I found out that we're going to gain. And I know in one work week I can get a hell of a lot of stuff done. So I'm pretty pumped about this. We are literally gaining life. So I know for me, I'm going to keep this going, but tell me below, how'd you like it? How'd you find it? Are you going to keep it going? And if you are, stay tuned for tomorrow. I'm going to be back with next month's challenge and the habit we're going to be building. And it sort of carries on with this one, and I think builds nicely. So if you liked this and you're going to be continuing on with getting up 30 minutes earlier, you're probably going to really like this. And if my dog keeps beeping in the back on her little toy, I'll have to introduce you to her too. I'm really sorry. The joys from working from home, huh? Okay, well, stay tuned for tomorrow, and congrats. If you did it this month, I'm super excited for you. I'm proud of us all. It's a cool step in the right direction. So have a good one, and I'll chat with you all tomorrow.